morning, everybody. This is Teresa, Mountain Air Farms. Well, maybe I need to start being a little bit more clear when I ask my husband to help me with something. I asked him this morning, I said, with all this rain and this heat, I said, our garden's going to get out of hand. I said, why don't you help me hoe? Well, I went on doing some dishes and different things. Hear the tractor running. I guess I need to tell him how I meant to hoe my garden. Technically, it's a hoe. It's a backhoe. And I guess it will work. But I wasn't expecting this. He's using his backhoe to try to get some of that out between my sweet potato plants. I tell you, my husband just ain't right. But I love him anyway. Bless his little heart. And if you don't know what that means, you're not a true Southerner. Bless his little heart is another way of saying he just really ain't right, but we love him anyway. Yeah. As long as it gets the job done and it doesn't hurt my plants, I guess it will be doing alright. Well, I'm just going to short little video here. Let you know, be careful when you ask your husband to do something. Make sure he has the right experience and knowledge and know exactly what you're talking about. Because if not, you may be like me and have a husband that takes it a whole different way. Well, as always, remember, we love you. God loves you. Y'all have a blessed day.